The best way to use avocados, 23 delicious ways to eat an avocado. Avocados can be a nutritious addition to any meal. You can incorporate them into smoothies, mix them with scrambled eggs, or use them as a substitute for foods like mayo or sour cream. Avocados can be incorporated into numerous recipes to enhance their nutritional value. Just 1 ounce, 28 grams, offers a significant amount of healthy fats, fiber, and protein. Additionally, avocados may support heart health, weight management, and healthy aging. Here are 23 interesting ways to include avocados in your diet. 1. Seasoned. The easiest way to enjoy avocados is to sprinkle them with a pinch of salt and pepper. You can also experiment with other seasonings like paprika, cayenne pepper, balsamic vinegar, or lemon juice. A quick method to season an avocado is to cut it into chunks and drizzle with a little olive oil, balsamic vinegar, pepper, and salt. 2. Stuffed. If you're looking for more nutritious breakfast options, try incorporating avocados into your morning meal. One idea is to fill half an avocado with an egg and bake it at 425 degrees Fahrenheit, 220 degrees Celsius, for 15 to 20 minutes until the egg white is fully set. You can then top the avocado with crumbled, cooked bacon and season it with fresh herbs and spices like parsley, cayenne pepper, salt, and regular pepper. Alternatively, you can replace the eggs with other ingredients such as tuna, chicken, vegetables, or fruits. A simple online search will provide you with plenty of stuffed avocado recipes to choose from. 3. In scrambled eggs. To give a regular morning dish a twist, try incorporating avocado into your scrambled eggs. Simply add diced avocado to the eggs while they're cooking in a pan. To avoid burning the avocado, do this when the eggs are halfway cooked, then continue cooking until the avocado is warm. If you prefer cooler avocado, add it after the eggs are cooked and off the stove. Finish the dish by topping it with shredded cheese and seasoning with salt and pepper to taste. 4. On toast. You can substitute regular spreads like butter and margarine with avocados. Using pureed avocado as a spread on toast and sandwiches adds extra vitamins and minerals to your meal. 5. In guacamole. Guacamole is one of the most renowned Mexican dishes. You can prepare it with just avocados, herbs, and seasonings, or enhance it by adding ingredients such as corn, pineapple, broccoli, and quinoa. 6. As a substitute for mayo. Avocados can serve as an excellent substitute for mayonnaise in recipes. For instance, you can use avocado as a binder in dishes like tuna, chicken, or egg salads. 7. In salads. Studies suggest that the additional calories from fat and fiber in avocados may help you feel fuller for longer, potentially leading to reduced calorie intake at later meals. Since salads can be low in calories, incorporating avocados can make them a more satisfying and substantial meal. 8. In soups. Another great way to enjoy avocados is by incorporating them into soups. Avocados can serve as the main ingredient in avocado soup, or you can add chunks of this green fruit to other soups. There are numerous nutritious soup recipes featuring avocados available online, and these soups can typically be enjoyed either chilled or hot. 9. As a substitute for sour cream. Avocados are an excellent substitute for dishes typically made with sour cream. For example, you can top baked potatoes with mashed avocados and shredded cheese. Alternatively, you can create a dairy-free sour cream replacement by blending 2 avocados, the juice of 2 limes, 2 tablespoons, 30 milliliters, of water, 2 tablespoons, 30 milliliters, of olive or avocado oil, a pinch of salt, a pinch of pepper. 10. In sushi rolls. Sushi is a fundamental part of Japanese cuisine, traditionally featuring rice, seaweed, and fish or shellfish. Avocados, however, are also commonly incorporated into sushi rolls. Their creamy texture makes them an ideal ingredient for filling or topping sushi rolls. 11. Grilled. Avocados can be grilled for a delicious side dish, perfect for pairing with barbecued meats. To prepare, slice the avocado in half and remove the seed. Drizzle the halves with lemon juice and brush them with olive oil. Grill the cut side down for 2 to 3 minutes. Finish by seasoning with salt, pepper, or any other preferred spices. 12. Pickled. Avocado pickles are a tasty addition to dishes where you'd normally use avocados, like salads and sandwiches. To prepare them, combine 1 cup 240 milliliters of white vinegar, 1 cup 240 milliliters of water, and 1 tablespoon of salt in a saucepan and bring to a boil. Pour the mixture into a jar, then add 3 diced, unripe avocados. Seal the jar and let it marinate for a couple of days before serving. You can enhance the pickling solution with flavors such as garlic, fresh herbs, mustard seeds, peppercorns, or chilies. 13. As fries. Avocado fries are a delicious alternative to traditional potato fries and can serve as a tasty side dish, appetizer, or snack. They can be either deep-fried or baked for a healthier option. Enjoy them with a variety of dipping sauces, such as ketchup, mustard, aioli, or ranch. 14. As a topping. Avocados enhance a variety of recipes wonderfully. For instance, avocado slices are ideal for adding to sandwiches, burgers, and even pizza. They also make a fantastic topping for classic Mexican dishes such as tacos and nachos. 15. In smoothies. Smoothies make an excellent meal or snack alternative. You can blend avocado with green leafy vegetables like kale and fruits such as banana, pineapple, or berries. For an extra protein boost, consider adding protein powder, Greek yogurt, or milk. Here's a quick smoothie recipe. 1 ripe avocado, halved and pitted. 1/2 banana. 1 cup 240 milliliters of milk. 1/2 cup 125 grams of vanilla Greek yogurt. 1/2 cup 15 grams of spinach. Ice to taste. With endless possibilities, you can explore numerous smoothie recipes online or in specialized cookbooks. 16. As an ice cream. Avocado ice cream offers a healthier and more nutritious alternative to traditional ice cream. You can make it by blending avocado, lime juice, milk, cream, and sugar. For a lighter version, substitute milk and cream with almond or coconut milk, and replace sugar with honey. Additionally, avocado ice pops provide a delicious and refreshing way to stay cool on hot days. 17. In salad dressing. Store-bought creamy dressings often contain excessive sugar and unhealthy vegetable oils that can undermine the nutritional value of your salad. Making your own dressing is a better option to keep your salad both nutritious and low in calories. Avocado-based salad dressings not only offer a smooth texture but are also flavorful and nutrient-rich. To make your own avocado dressing, blend the following ingredients together, adding more water as needed to reach your desired consistency. 1/2 avocado. 1/2 cup, 120 milliliters, of water. 3/4 cup, 12 grams, of chopped cilantro. Juice of 1 lime. 1 clove of garlic. 1/4 cup, 60 grams, of Greek yogurt. 1/2 teaspoon of salt. 1/4 teaspoon of ground black pepper. 18. In desserts. Avocado can serve as a vegan alternative to shortening, butter, eggs, and oils in baking, potentially lowering the calorie content of your recipes. For instance, 2 tablespoons, 30 grams, of avocado contain just 48 calories, compared to 200 calories in the same amount of butter. Swapping avocado is straightforward. 1 cup, 230 grams, of oil or butter can be replaced with 1 cup, 230 grams, of mashed avocado, and 1 egg can be substituted with 2 to 4 tablespoons, 30 to 60 grams, of mashed avocado. Avocado is commonly used in chocolate cakes, brownies, mousse, and pudding, where its green hue blends seamlessly with dark chocolate. 19. In bread. Avocado can be a fantastic ingredient for baking bread. Try using avocado in place of bananas in your favorite banana bread recipe for a unique twist. Alternatively, you can keep the bananas, add cocoa powder, and substitute butter or oil with avocado to create a delicious chocolate avocado banana bread. 20. In hummus. Hummus is a nutrient-dense dish typically prepared with chickpeas, olive oil, and tahini. Chickpeas offer a great source of protein and fiber, while tahini and olive oil add monounsaturated and polyunsaturated fats. Incorporating avocado into the mix boosts both the fiber and healthy fat content of the hummus, while also enhancing its creamy texture. 21. In pasta sauces. Avocados can be used to create a rich and creamy avocado sauce for pasta dishes. This sauce pairs well with vegetables like tomatoes and corn. Additionally, you can add a twist to your mac and cheese by incorporating avocado into the recipe. 22. In pancakes. Pancakes are typically high in carbs, but incorporating avocado can boost their nutrient profile with added vitamins and minerals. The avocado also imparts a delightful green hue and a creamy, thick texture. For an extra nutritional boost, consider adding fruits like blueberries to the batter. 23. In drinks. Avocados can be used to craft delicious cocktails such as margaritas, daiquiris, or martinis. Despite their unique preparations, they all share a creamy texture. For a non-alcoholic twist, simply leave out the alcohol to create refreshing mocktails. If you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on the notification bell, so you don't miss any new videos. Let us know your thoughts about this video in the comments section down below, and feel free to stay and enjoy it until the end. Also make sure to check out our next highlighted video, and we will see you next time. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.